Good evening. This is Crap Grandma Says. I don't know about you, but I have found myself feeling really just overwhelmed with everything that's going on with this administration. But one thing that has really irritated the ever-loving crap out of me was their disobedience to the court orders, ordering them to either turn those planes around that were taking sometimes innocent people to El Salvador for imprisonment with no evidence that they had been convicted of any crime here or anything, or anywhere for that matter. And I've been sitting here thinking about what's the best possible course of action against the folks who are doing this. Well, every attorney who works for the federal government has to be licensed somewhere. And every state that has attorneys has ethical rules for those attorneys, and they have a Supreme Court that adjudicates whether their attorneys are actually following the law and the ethical rules that the state has set up for them. My recommendation is going to be, and I'm going to do it myself, and I'm hoping thousands of you will join me, that we make a complaint to the state of Florida, their Supreme Court, regarding Pam Bondi, and we ask for them to discipline her and potentially disbar her for her actions. And the same thing in Missouri for Ed Martin. I think that's our best course of action right now. Really. It's really what we have. We can't allow these people, these supposed attorneys, to continue to do this. And we have to come together to start reporting them to their respective Supreme Court or other bodies that control attorney behavior for their states. The benefit in it is this: if they get disbarred, if enough of us complain and they get disbarred, they can't be federal attorneys. They can't be federal attorneys because they have no license to practice law anywhere. So that's really the path. Let's get their licenses taken away. Oh, and by the way, I'll put information in this video as to what web addresses you go to make those complaints. And hopefully you all will join me and make ethical complaints against those attorneys for their lack of ethics. And tomorrow or the next day, I'm going to comb through the rules for each of those states, and I'll come back either tomorrow or Friday or over the weekend and tell you exactly which things to cite in your complaints against them. So there's that.